Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to explain everything about least squares method. As you see here, we have this equation for least square method y equal to a bx. It is an equation for a line. Maybe in this direction or in this direction, it doesn't make any difference. A is intercept with y, b is slope of the line. A estimates the regression intercept of the base fit line with y-axis. B estimates the regression slope of the base fit line. Or we can say that from the above linear equation, A and B are the two regression parameters. X is the independent variable. This equation call it regression. Okay, you can find A and B by this two equation, or directly you can use this equation for find A and this equation to find B. Also, to find sample correlation coefficient can be determined by R. That is the formula to finding R. R sample correlation coefficient, X value is the independent variable, Y value is the dependent variable, and sample size. Let's solve an example. We have this example. We have to estimate the number of credit cards for 8 households. Credit cards processed by family sizes as shown in the following table. First, we have to find the equation of linear relationship, compute correlation coefficient, compute coefficient of determination R squared value. Should the correlation be positive or negative? Check your calculation to know whether it's true or not. It's so important. We have this data. Family size. Family with 2 members, they has 4 credit cards. With two, another family with two member, it has six. 4 member has six value, 6 credit card. Four has seven, five has eight, five has seven, six has eight, six has 10. Let's create a linear relationship between family size and number of credit cards. We use this linear equation y equal to a bx, solving for constants a and b as the following. Okay, a, that's the equation of a. This one, the equation for b. Now we have to create a table. First, it includes number of data. Then here we have x, so you need x, and summation of x equal to 34. Also, we need y. Summation of y is 56. xy. 2 times 4, it's 8. 2 times 6, it's 12. And its summation is 255. Also, we need x squared. X squared. 2 to power 2 is 4. 2 to power 2 is 4. 4 to power 2 is 16, and so on. And summation is 162. Now we have everything to find a and b. Just put this data into the equation. We get a 56 summation y times 162 summation of x squared minus 34 summation of x multiply 255 summation of xy over 8 number of data multiply 162. It is x squared minus 34 squared summation of x. You see, you have to make difference between summation of x all square or summation of x squared. It's a difference. And a equal to 2.8714. Also, put this data into this equation to find b. It's like this, and b equal to 0.9714. That's a slope. Okay, that is a linear relationship. Y equal to 2.8714 plus 0.9714x. Okay, if you plot on your graph paper, it looks like this. Let's find r squared by hand calculation. We didn't calculate correlation coefficient r, we just find is the equation of linear relationship. Let's solve the second requirement. R, that is the equation for r. We have to add another column, which is summation of y squared. Okay, summation of y squared is 414. Just put into this equation, we get r equal to 0.8664. According to this table, it is a strong relationship because it is greater than zero point 0.8, and it will be positive relationship, and it's a strong relationship according to the stable grade. Now, second requirement is solved. For the third one, we just have to square this r. Good. R square equal to small r square equal to 0.8664 square equal to 0.77649. Also, should the correlation be positive or negative? If you see, if the relation, you see it's upward, it's positive, and we check it, it's strong relationship. Now let's check our solution. How we can check the solution? Just I want to go to the data, this one, control copy. I open Excel. I use Excel, but you can use graph paper, or you can use hand calculation. Okay, control V. Just good. Control copy. From here, I change it to column. Good. It's X and this is Y. Now, if you just plot this one, insert, scatter, you can plot this one. Good. Just select this and right click, add trend line, select it linear. Okay, display equation on chart, display R squared. Good. Now I want to change this to this one. Good. You see we get the same result. Slope is 0.9714 plus A 2.8714 and R square 0.75 oscus. Now to check whether it's true or not, just from here, I create estimated Y equal to 0.9714 times X plus 2.8714. Okay, estimated what? Y. We just add X and find estimated Y. So it equal 0.9714 times X, that's X value, plus 2.8714. Just enter. You see here we have 4, it's real data. 4.8142 is estimated data. Scroll down. Now I want to change its size. Okay, good. That's the real data, that's the estimated data. We just have to plot between estimated data and x-axis to check whether our data is true or not. Good. Just from this graph, right click, select data, add x, this one. For y, we select this one. Okay, okay. Just I want to change chart type, for example, to this one. You see this orange color directly goes onto the trend line. It means our solution is good. Also, for example, I want to know the credit card for a family with seven member. For example, x equal to 7, estimated credit cards just from here equal to y 0.97 14 multiply x 7 plus 2.8714. Enter. Okay, a family member with seven a family with 7 member may have 10 credit cards with, for example, 10. It has 12.58. It means 13 credit cards. That's all. Have a nice day.